everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie. Looky what I have. Another 6 pounds. So I will lower the camera and let's see what we have today. And if you're not subscribed, I appreciate you subscribing, and thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you feel like doing. Thanks a lot, everyone. Let's lower the camera and let's see what we have today. And you know, she always sends me extra things. Look at this beautiful new bracelet. That's Ralph Lauren. Very nice. And let's see what's in here. Have a watch. And this is, let's see, what's it say? White House Black Market. I don't think I've ever had a watch with this brand, but I love that. And, oh, Betsey Johnson. This is in beautiful condition. I certainly hope this works. I will be putting in a new battery. And the band is genuine leather. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And we have another watch. It is New York and Company. Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay. Oh, look at this trinket box. It actually, somebody was selling it for $25. It is ceramic and metal. Oh, and she put some rings inside. It just needs a little polishing. That is beautiful. I may show that today. That will be on Dawn's channel at 3 o'clock Pacific time. I think 6 o'clock Dawn's time. This is a vintage 7 3/4 ring. Look at that. I definitely know that's vintage. I used to have one that was a square. Let's see, what is a brand? Oh, this is an Avon. And we have this ring. This one. And this one. Okay. Now, let's get to the bag. Let's see what we have. Now, the little bags I saved for the very end. There is a nice stretch bracelet in excellent condition. Here is a brooch. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. And I think this is for your hair. But you know, you could put it around like a choker. That bow is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. And let's see here. This is really nice, just needs a little cleaning. Isn't that pretty? Very nice, very nice. Okay. This says Heart of Gold, and this is Kate Spade. Yep, Kate Spade. Beautiful. Just needs a little polishing. That is gorgeous. We have a very different brooch. Looks like a sheep. Oh, I like this watch. I don't see anything missing on it. Gorgeous. Can't wait to put some batteries in these. And let's see, here is a statement piece. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? That is so nice. No missing stones. Fantastic. Here's a vintage chain, like a snake chain. Very smooth, very nice. These lay on the neck, really nice. And let's see. This is Joan Rivers. Isn't that nice? Love it, love it. And I will be on, like I said, I think I already said what, on Dawn's channel. It was supposed to be on Leslie's, but I think Leslie is kind of under the weather today. This is nice. And Leslie, I hope you feel better soon. This says Best Friends, and it has the little animal paw. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, I like this. That's gorgeous, two-toned. I might have to keep that. Here's some bling. Very sparkly. Shell. Lauren Conrad. It's a little ring, size 7. It's from Kohl's. It's acrylic. That's nice. A smaller statement necklace, but very nice. That's nice. Let's see here. Oh, wow, this is pretty. This may be Premier Design, I'm not sure. Yep, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Toggle clasp. Oh, this is pretty. Really pretty. Oh, and we have a ring. And there's no discoloration on this ring. That is lovely. Size 8. That's nice. Here is a bangle. It is hallmarked. And Taylor. I would have never thought that would be hallmarked. This is Wind and Fire. This is really tarnished. I'm actually going to throw that away. Here's some bling. Look at this. Really nice. Anything that's really tarnished, I don't keep, don't try to sell. This is nice. And it has a double fold-over links, which is nice because, you know, if you're a 7 or 8, you can always readjust to whatever size. Okay, we are tangled here. Well, this is a pretty brooch. Isn't that nice? And this says 56. Graduate. 1956. Before my time, believe it or not. I graduated from high school in 1959. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous. here is another brooch. Now these are just some faux pearls, but in good condition. Here is a stretch ring. No discoloration, beautiful condition. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Excuse me. Again, my allergies in the morning are always horrible. This is Marvella. Marvella made the most beautiful vintage pearls. And I have some really good cleaner for pearls now. So I'll have to clean that one. And this is Leah Sophia. You know, we always have to have tangles. Naturally, in the bags, you're going to get the tangles, but not so bad. This one is not marked. I'm not a fan of that type of bracelet. But you know, we all have a different taste. That's what makes life interesting. There's no right or wrong way. It's just everyone has different taste. This is Coldwater Creek. Very nice. Just needs some cleaning, but it's in good condition. Let's pull some more out. Wow. And look at this. Well, maybe that's the back of it. That is different. May go in the craft bagger box if no one wants it. We are definitely tangled. And I may have to untangle it off camera. But there's two necklaces here. This is really interesting. Oh, that's magnetic. Okay. Now it's tangled right here. I don't want to break it, so I'll do it off camera. A nice statement piece. Okay, so much for that. Oh, I see another watch. I love watches. This is Coach. Yep, this is Coach. This is nice. Genuine leather band in good condition. I like that. I like. Here is a dangle. And what do we have here? Vera Bradley. Vera Bradley, and hook this on a purse. Put your keys. That's kind of nice. Magnetic clasp. That's a beautiful bracelet. Look at that. Oh, wow. It's got some beautiful pieces in this lot. Really nice. Some sea beads. Look at the color on that. Wow. It's a lot of work. Now, this one is coming apart. This will go in the craft box. These are nice. Very old pearls. These are not real. And let's see here what we have. Yeah, that bracelet. That's coming apart. this is pretty. Oh, wow. Look at this vintage piece. Beautiful. Beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? I am very happy with this lot. You know, no matter who you buy from, you're never going to be 100% happy with everything, but this lady is fantastic. Great customer service. Treats me great. I'm totally pleased. Look at this. Oh, wow. Very, very cold. Looks like dyed halite there. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my, my, my. Look at this butterfly. You tell me you don't love that. That is gorgeous. Wow. I love that. Love it, love it. Here's another brooch. Oh, wow. This is a pendant. Just needs a chain with a magnifying glass on it. Butterfly. That is really cool. And here's another statement piece. Some lovely pieces. Wow. Here's a stretch bracelet. Let's see, what's this say? This is nickel free. Toki Doki. Okay. Let's see here. Whoops. That beads on the floor. That one necklace that fell apart. Oh, here is another nice stretch ring. Look at that. That's in excellent condition. Well, this is weird. It's artisan made. Somebody put this little lace in. You know, that could be used for junk journaling, you know. Oh, this is nice. Wow. And it comes into a V. That is really nice. Very nice. I like that. Let's see here. Is this an Alex and Annie? Pause of Life. This is really discolored. I'm throwing that away. This is White House Black Market, I think. Yeah, look at this. This is nice. This is a bracelet. Very nice. And you know, if you see something you like, and as long as it's not sold or you want to make me an offer, I do accept most offers. I do. Sometimes will counter offer. And this says, I am not 60. I am 21 with 30 years. What was Weird. Weird, weird. Okay. This says, Sisters, needs cleaning. Both of those need cleaning. I know I'm trying to hurry now. Don't want to make it too long. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. You have to have some tangles, so. Yeah, this is, wow. See if I can get it untangled. Well, I will work on this off camera. It's very nice, put it that way. But I will untangle it. Okay, it's another nice necklace. I don't know why Alex and Annie bracelets are always so discolored. I don't know why, but sometimes you can clean them up really nice, but other times, yeah, no. These are some nice clip earrings. Got some DNA there. Those are nice. Nice, nice. I usually, every once in a while, will make earring lots. I don't usually pair up necklaces with earrings unless they're an actual set. Because what I do when I have say a necklace and it doesn't come with earrings, which most statement pieces don't, I usually just use hoops. Look at that. If the metal is gold tone or silver tone, I just get that color hoops. Those are adorable cats. Oh my. I don't try to pair them up. I think it's too hard to match them. But again, that's just my choice. Let's see. This is nice. It's a lot of Hallmark pieces. This is Loft. Lots of Hallmark pieces in this lot. What do we have? Oh, cute. It says Faith. It's a turtle. And a seahorse. And what's this? A frog. How cute. How cute. And here is a charm, a little star. What's it say? Happy something. Happy something, I don't know. Can't read it. Sometimes the print is just, this is different. Let's see, those will go in crafts. This is a great lot though. I'm happy with it. That's nice. Very nice. Let's see. Let's open these big ones. Oops. Let's see what's in here. Usually in these packages, they're pendants or earrings. Those are nice. And she always makes sure they're paired up. Very seldom do I ever get anything that's not paired, which I love. That's nice. Those are clipped. They're very nice. And these here are clipped. And she's very careful about. Those are nice. Pairing up. I've tried a lot of different sellers over the years. And this lady is my favorite. Very, very nice. Wow. This is the only one. And I bet the other earrings in this one. Look at these. How pretty. Yep. I might have to test those. They almost look like sterling. These are nice. So I'm happy with what I got. Okay, let's just open this one and then I'm gonna shut down the video. I hope you've enjoyed this. Look at these. Those are nice. Those. And let's see here. Those are nice. Very bling bling. I like those. Some nice earrings. Very different. And these are vintage clip-on. Well, these are cool. The two-tone. I love the two-tone. I really do. Okay. Wow. I'm not so sure about these. Look at those. Oh my. Look at how long. Would anyone wear earrings that long? Talk about shoulder dusters. Wow. And look at, oh, those are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And here is some bling. Excuse me. Let's see. Did I miss something here that you might want to see? We're about done. And I will upload this. Oh, this is nice. Long chain. Very long chain. I have to shorten chains or put shorter chains on for me. That's nice. It's nice. This is a vintage piece. Okay, let me raise the camera. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And remember, I am going to be in a sale today on Dawn's channel. And I will show a few of these pieces. If you're interested, stop by. No pressure. Just stop by and say hello. Bye, everyone.